it's pretty awesome. It's a new innovative product. So JVC came forth a long way with a new awesome unit that we're able to utilize in vehicles that we haven't been able to before. So we have tons of vehicles and tons of applications that we can actually utilize for vehicles that you were previously saying no to. So we can actually go back to those dealers and customers and tell them we have a new unit that we could actually implement into their vehicles. So, and it's a ton of vehicles. So I think the ultimate goal was pairing with Maestro. So people are familiar with Maestro iData-Link and they know that their product works. They trust their product. And I think the really key was partnering with Maestro and guys having the trust with Maestro iData-Link and the Maestro modules from previous installs with other companies and even JVC with Maestro, and having a new innovative unit that they pair with that company and having the trust of JVC and also Maestro and having a complete solution for vehicles that we previously don't have. So from start to finish, it's definitely a brain and remote radio install, but when it's finalized and it's finished, it looks like nothing was previously changed. So it's ultimately just a screen change, and you have all the new technology, all the new features, wireless CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, and all the features and technology of JVC and Maestro, but with it looking completely factory. So I think that's the ultimate goal here, is to have it look completely factory, but with all the new innovative technology. So with only 12 SKUs for the Apex units, and then JVC offering 2 SKUs as far as the radio, the 8-inch and the 10-inch, that SKU count's pretty low compared to other brands that are out there. So I think that's pretty awesome to have those items on the shelf and have a solution for tons of vehicles that you previously weren't able to have. So I think that's pretty awesome stuff. Oh man, JVC Hot Shots is always awesome, man. I kind of had a little bit on the back end of help coordinating and supporting some of the event with Josh Bowen. But I mean, it's definitely a great event. It's always a good time. Steve Cote and Marcus and all those guys are always great. And we have a great time. We always get together, have camaraderie and everything every time we come to this show.